Making your English shine. The power of examples in conversation. Hello, learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our English language learning series. Today, we're focusing on a very important topic: understanding the importance of examples in answering questions. By the end of this video, you'll see how examples can make your answers clearer, more engaging, and more persuasive. Examples play a critical role in everyday conversation, regardless of the language you're speaking. They bring your points to life, make your ideas more tangible, and show your listener that you understand what you're talking about. For example, if someone asks you, "What did you do this weekend?" you could simply say, "I relaxed at home." But what if you added an example? "I relaxed at home. For instance, I spent Saturday afternoon reading a new novel." The addition of an example makes your response more vivid and engaging. So remember, when answering questions, don't just state facts. Tell stories. One of the main reasons examples are helpful is that they add clarity. Often, our answers can be vague or abstract. Adding an example helps the listener visualize and better understand our message. Imagine being asked, "What is your favorite way to exercise?" Instead of just saying, "I love running," you could add an example. "I love running. Just yesterday, I enjoyed a beautiful sunrise while running in the local park." This gives a clearer picture of your love for running. Examples are not only clarifying, they're also persuasive. In a discussion or argument, providing examples can be an effective way to convince your listener about your point of view. Suppose you're discussing climate change and someone asks, "Why do you think climate change is a serious issue?" You could answer, "Well, we're seeing more extreme weather patterns." But adding an example will make your argument stronger. "Well, we're seeing more extreme weather patterns. For example, my hometown experienced unusually harsh winters and sweltering summers in recent years." That's it for today, learners. Always remember, examples can make your English conversation clearer, more vivid, and more persuasive. Keep practicing using examples in your daily conversations and see the difference it makes. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!